Welcome to the Control-M Automation API video about managing run-as users. In this video, you will learn how to add a run-as user and test it. You will also learn how to change the run-as user password. A run-as user is a security setting that authenticates the user name that has authorization to execute a job. Just as a reminder, make sure that you have directed the CLI to the Control-M environment that you are working in. First, we'll add a run-as user. In the CLI, we'll enter the run-as user add command. After the command, we'll enter the Control-M server name, the agent name, the username and password. We see that the new run-as user was added successfully to Control-M. Now let's take a quick look in the CCM to see the run-as user that we added. In the CCM, in the Security tab, we'll click Run As. And here we see the user that we added. Back in the CLI, we'll test the run-as user that we just added. We'll enter the test command with the Control-M server, agent, and user. We see that the user is validated. Last, when you need to renew or update a password, you can also do this in the CLI. Let's enter the update command. And we see that the password was successfully changed. Thanks for watching this video. To learn how to manage authorizations and roles, or create a user and assign roles to users, watch our other API videos.